Verifying your Bitpay account is essential to ensure secure transactions and access to all features. Here's how you can verify your Bitpay account. Sign up or log in. First, download the Bitpay app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't done so. Open the app and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. Verify your email address. During the account creation process, Bitpay will ask you to enter your email address. After entering it, Bitpay will send a verification email to that address. Open your email inbox and click on the verification link in the email from Bitpay to confirm your email. Set up two-factor authentication. For added security, Bitpay recommends enabling two-factor authentication. Go to Settings within the app, then tap on Security and enable 2FA using an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Complete identity verification. If you plan to use the Bitpay card or perform higher volume transactions, you may need to complete identity verification. You will be asked to upload documents through the app for Bitpay to verify your identity.